All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its state and my heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. News is brought to you by Ishwar of Grade-VIII TOPAZ. International National News. International News. Family of Indian human killed in US demands international arrest against suspects. National News. PM Narendra Modi is going to visit Somnath Temple in Gujarat on January 11. Thank you.
Today's state and sport news is brought to you by Hanvika Virat of Grade-VIII TOPAZ. State news. Telangana and Hyderabad TGSRTC buses will be run over 6,400 special buses due to Sankranti. Sports news. PV Sindhu had won her badminton match at Malaysia. Under 19 cricket team had defeated South Africa by 233 runs and 3-1 sweep clean. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to everyone. I am Sankirtana from Grade-VIII TOPAZ. Brought you weather forecast. Maximum temperature 28 degrees Celsius. A very happy morning to everyone. I am Sankirtana from Grade-VIII TOPAZ. Brought you weather forecast. Broad weather forecast. Maximum temperature 28 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 15 to 17 degrees Celsius. Humidity 60%. Precipitation 0%. Wind speed 6 km per hour. Air quality satisfactory. Conditions clear skies, sunny mornings and pleasant conditions. Thank you. That's the end of news bulletin. Today's thought is brought to you by Tejanya of Grade-VIII TOPAZ. Thought. English is not just a language, it is a bridge to the world. I repeat my thought. English is not just a language, it is the bridge to the world. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Kiran Go of Grade-VIII TOPAZ. Today's word, brave. It means showing courage, being ready to face the danger. Friends, please spell after me. Brave. Brave. B-R-A-V-E. Brave. Thank you.
My name is K. Saishri of Grade-VIII TOPAZ. Today I am going to deliver a speech on how to overcome common fear. Fears are natural feelings of our daily life. The most common fears of our daily life are fear of exams, fear of failure, fear of darkness, fear of being alone. To overcome these fears, first step, to admit it. When we accept the fear, we will be afraid and it becomes easier to face it. Second step, practice and preparation. Practice and preparation. For example, fear of exams. Regular studies and revision gives you confidence. Fear of speaking in public. Practice in front of a mirror or with your friends will help you to speak everywhere. Another way is to stay positive. Staying positive, like instead of thinking yourself that I cannot do this, tell yourself I will try my best. Positive thinking gives us courage. And remember, mistakes are common in our life and every mistake teaches us something new. In conclusion, fear is not our enemy. It is a challenge that makes us stronger with confidence, courage and positive thoughts to achieve success. Thank you.
GK questions are brought to you by Siddharth from Grade-VIII TOPAZ. Question for grade 7. What is pronounced the same even after remaining 4 letters? I'll repeat again. What is pronounced the same even after remaining 4 letters? Empty. Yes, you pick the correct answer. And the answer is empty. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 8. Which English word has all 5 vowels in order? I'll repeat again. Which English word has all 5 vowels in order? Yes, you pick the correct answer. And the answer is education. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 9. Which tense is used to talk about action happening now?
Present tense.
Yes, you pick the correct answer. And the answer is present tense. Let us appreciate them. Open questions. What is opposite of hot?
Cold.
Yes, you pick the correct answer. And the answer is cold. Let us appreciate them. Which letter is used frequently in English?
Yes, you pick the correct answer, and the answer is C. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.
I'm a person of grade Topaz, here with my friend Hasni for conversation.
Hi Upasana, how are you? Did you notice how everyone is speaking more English these days?
Yes, Hasni, English is really becoming an important language everywhere.
I think it's because English helps us to communicate globally. People use it on work, studies, and even on internet.
That's true. Even in our school, our teachers encourage us to speak in English more often.
But sometimes it is little bit difficult to speak fluently. Even I do make mistakes often.
Don't worry. The more we practice, the better we get. Reading books, listening to songs, and talking to friends can help a lot.
I agree. When I talk English, I feel that it gives some confidence and we can express ideas clearly and meet people from different countries.
Exactly. English is bridge to connect the world. That's why it's called emerging language. It is growing fast in popularity.
Yes, today too I'll try to speak English. Maybe we can start after the school hours.
Great idea. Let's start it from today.
Done. English will be fun when we practice together.
Absolutely. Let's make it daily habit. Dear friends, please communicate in English. That may help you in future.
If you not practice English, you may face consequences in future.
Lastly, can we end our communication?
Of course.
Thank you.